when it comes to cigarettes after sex, we gotta check out the lyrics. Pistol cigarettes after sex. Let's see. Let's check it out. Let's see if it's time to cry. 59 million, by the way. Dude, what's with cigarettes after sex? Really matching my current fucking life, dude. What the fuck? Every time. Literally every time.
Beautiful pictures that you took of us used to hang up there on your bedroom walls, but you took them all down now.
Wow.
And you put them into a drawer. You've been on my mind. You've been on my mind. You've been on my mind so long I can't deal with it. You've been on my mind, and I waste my time till you lift me off the floor and love me again. I know if I saw you and we kissed just once, you could be happy. Maybe you'd come back.
Dude, I'm not gonna lie. From what we've heard so far, that relationship is dead.
'Cause I really miss you. Don't know how much more I can take.
Yeah, that relationship is dead, dude.
You've been on my mind.
That's like a type of relationship where one person is like fully invested into another person, but the other person is not reciprocating the same type of energy. So yeah, in my eyes, that's definitely a dead relationship. It's just up to whatever situation that is how much that person loves himself or herself to keep going with that relationship.
You've been on my mind. You've been on my mind so long I can't deal with it. You've been on my mind, and I waste my time
Oh,
till you lift me off the floor and love me again.
nah, dude. That is not a fucking healthy ass relationship whatsoever.
Oh yeah, till you lift me off the floor and love me again. Oh yeah.
Hell no, dude. Yeah, hell no. Hell to the fucking no. you like you definitely cannot force someone else to love you. You know, it just has to come from them. But for me, that is this song is interesting as fuck. Pistol, cigarettes after sex. That's fucking wild, man.